Mapping services in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon are in high demand due to the rapid development and growth of this industrial area. Udyog Vihar, located in Gurgaon, Haryana, is a prominent industrial estate that houses numerous companies across various sectors. The need for mapping services arises from the requirement of accurate and detailed maps for navigation, urban planning, infrastructure development, and other related activities. Scon Design is a leading provider of mapping services in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon. With their expertise in geographic information systems, GIS, and advanced mapping technologies, Scon Design offers comprehensive solutions that cater to the diverse needs of businesses and organizations in this area. Their team of skilled professionals ensures the delivery of high-quality maps that are tailored to the specific requirements of each client. One of the key advantages of availing mapping services from Scon Design in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon is the accuracy and precision they offer. The company utilizes advanced mapping tools and technologies that enable them to create maps with detailed information about roads, landmarks, boundaries, and other relevant features. This level of accuracy is crucial for businesses operating in Udyog Vihar as it helps them optimize their logistics and transportation operations. Another benefit of opting for mapping services in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon is the ability to visualize and analyze data in a spatial context. Scon Design specializes in spatial analysis, which involves examining patterns and relationships within geographic data. This can be particularly useful for businesses in Udyog Vihar as it allows them to make informed decisions related to site selection, market analysis, and resource allocation. Moreover, Scon Design's mapping services can also assist in urban planning and infrastructure development projects. Gurgaon's Udyog Vihar has a strong demand for mapping services as a result of the area's quick industrial expansion and growth. In Gurgaon, Haryana, there is a well-known industrial area called Udyog Vihar, which is home to several businesses from various industries. Due to the necessity for precise and thorough maps for navigation, urban planning, infrastructure development, and other related tasks, mapping services are required. Leading mapping service provider in Gurgaon's Udyog Vihar is Scon Design. Scon Design provides complete solutions that address the wide range of requirements of enterprises and organizations in this field thanks to their expertise in geographic information systems, GIS, and cutting-edge mapping technology. High-quality maps that are customized to each client's unique needs are delivered by their team of knowledgeable experts. The accuracy and precision of Scon Design's mapping services in Udyog Vihar, Gurgaon, is one of its main benefits. The business makes use of cutting-edge mapping techniques and technologies to produce maps that are rich in information about highways, landmarks, boundaries, and other important aspects. For companies